Hello everyone, welcome to the next quick look. Today we're gonna have a look at the game between Sugai and Fujii. It's the 73rd Osho title match game 1 that was finished on Monday, and this is one of the positions of the game where Sugai promoted his bishop to 4-3, taking a gold. So in this situation, Fujii has a clear material advantage. If you calculate, Sugai is missing actually a whole rook and a whole bishop, but his attack is very severe, it seems like. We have almost a tokin and a horse next to enemy castle, so normally that would be very good attack. So what can Fujii do here to prove that he actually has the advantage here? Yeah, how do we turn this material advantage into a positional advantage? Since the advantage that he has are two strong pieces, a rook and a bishop, using them in the most effective way is the way to go. And the first move that Fujii plays was bishop drops 6-4. This is something we call an offensive defensive move. A bishop that does two things at the same time. And bishop is a very strong piece. It affects those two very far away places at the same time. Here we have a little bit of an in-between move, but you will see the next target is of course promotion of this pawn. And you can say, hey, this bishop is really close to this promoted pawn. Isn't it like dangerous? But actually the next move is the key move. Maybe you can think of it yourself if you wanna. The key move will be Rook drop 5-9 again, offensive defensive move. And here the threat is actually to take this gold for free because the silver cannot move. And here obviously we are threatening to take this token for free as well. Sugai played gold back. If it would be anything else, like a gold drop, we would have taken the token, but here Fujii realized something, and that is this castle is actually very weak now that I have those two strong pieces targeting it. And after horse 5-4, knight drop to 4-7 was played. Few moves later, Fujii proved that his attack is enough, and Sugai resigned. If you're curious about the whole game, I recommend you check the Shogi Live app. I hope that you will use those offensive defensive moves in your own game. See you in the next one. Bye bye.